And I'm gonna get some garlic. Right? I'm gonna get some garlic right here. So let's get this started. So I know the first thing for me to do is to get this veggie shred and soak this in some water and put my seasoning in there. So let me get a bowl and put that in there. That's what the instructions say. So I'm gonna get a bowl and put this inside of there with my seasoning. And let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm taking my veggie shred. That should be enough. A little bit more. Take my veggie shreds, right? I might need a little bit more. Put that up in there like this. I know that on the back of it said use warm water, but I'm about to just use just regular water. I'm not worried about warm water right now. I'll warm it up when I cook it. Okay, so I have my water inside the veggie shreds. It said to let this sit until it gets soft. I may need to put a little bit more veggie shred in there. I might have too much water, but I'm gonna let it do what it do. So I'm gonna begin putting my seasoning in here, and I will be right back. Give me a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, this is say like a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Put that in there first. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay, I'm gonna do a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, I'm also gonna do a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, I'm gonna take, this is 2 cloves of garlic right here. So I'm gonna take 2 cloves of garlic and put in here as well. 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, next I'm gonna chop my onion up and put it inside there as well. Okay, so I'm gonna chopped up this onion. I'm gonna put the onion in there. No, I might not put the whole thing in there. I should chop it up a little bit finer, but I'm gonna do what it do. So I'm gonna put this in there. Okay, so let me take a nice little mix with this. I'm gonna get this mixed up. I got my oil over here going, so I'm gonna get this mixed up right quick. Okay, so I have my meat done. It's kind of soft to the touch. It's pretty much what this is. This is what it looks like after you put the water in there. So I'm just gonna dump this. Oh, you're making a mess. So, hold on, let me just pause a minute. Okay, so I have the meat going. I'm gonna let this cook for about, say about like five or so minutes. I don't know if you take that long. I'm gonna let this do what it do. And I'm gonna start chopping up the kale and the tomatoes. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the kale and the tomatoes cut up. I have the meat done right here. That's what it looks like. It's all done. So what I'm gonna do, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to fry these shells, man. I'm sweating and glistening. Look at that glistening. Ooh-wee. Hard work, hard work. I'm having pretty much all my shells done. All my ingredients done. About to just slap a couple tacos together right quick. Give them to my dad. And then I'll be done. Too damn hot to be up under this damn flame. Heard, man. Okay, so here we go. This is the plate, the taco plate. Taco Tuesday. Just happy showing you guys how I make these tacos thanks to the veggie shred for they meat. And this is what I got going on. Oh, look how beautiful. Got the kale, the different tomatoes, yellow and red. Look at that. You know I love the yellow, red, and green, right? So pretty much every meal I cook, it has yellow, red, and green in it. Look at that there.